Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today we're doing a very special video. We've got the S15 Silvia mic'd up, and we're gonna be getting some raw and pure flutter turbo dose sounds. I've basically taped up the mic, it's hanging on for dear life, and yeah, I'm honestly really hoping that this tape job holds up. So you've got to give this video a like and a subscribe, just for risking the life of my expensive microphone. So I'm really excited to hear these turbo sounds with literally the mic right there. Oh, it's gonna be insane. Like normally when I've done this, I've had the GoPro on the bonnet on top. So yeah, having a good quality mic right there on the pod, I'm so excited to hear this, and I hope you guys are as well. So I'll connect everything up, go for a drive, and let's enjoy the beautiful flutter and dose sounds of the S15 Silvia. Alright guys, so we're back from that drive and look at this mic. Look at how sticky and gooey that is. We've honestly got to give that a good clean, but it worked. And man, I've gone through some of this footage and I am frothing. I can't get over how crisp this turbo sound is with the mic right there. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this sound video of like the pure turbo dose of the S15 Silvia. It just sounds absolutely amazing. So I'll leave it there guys. If you want to support the channel, the best way to do that is by liking, commenting, and most importantly, hitting that subscribe button down below. It really does us a solid. And if you want to support any further, we do have the ThatCarLife shop. I'll link it down below. We've got some mad things coming for the ThatCarLife store. New designs, new clothing dropping. It's going to be absolutely awesome. So stay tuned. I'm very excited to show you guys what we got in store. And I also want to give a quick shout out to Rise Brisbane. I'm wearing their shirt right now. So yeah, if you guys like the look of it, I'll link everything down below. They're absolute legends. And yeah, it's actually a really good shirt. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you next time on ThatCarLife.